Welcome to Upkeep's video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder. Today, we are going to delve into the world of continuous improvement in maintenance processes. We'll be exploring how you can utilize modern technology like computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, to refine your operations and save your team time and money. Stay tuned, as we'll be breaking down key steps to enhance your continuous improvement process. Let's get started. You know the old saying, there's always room for improvement? Well, it's absolutely true when it comes to maintenance. If you're not focusing on continuous improvement every single day, you could be wasting a lot of time and money. But don't worry, we've got some good news. Today's computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS for short, can provide you with a wealth of useful data to help implement improvements on a regular basis. It's all about reporting accurate information, running proven tests, making smarter decisions, and rechecking the results. It's a cycle that you rinse and repeat. So, let's dive into some key steps to improve your continuous improvement process. First up, set your objectives. If you're a maintenance manager, it's crucial to meet with your executive team to understand the overall mission of your company. Once you've got that down, you can agree on the top priorities for areas of maintenance improvement. Make sure that these goals have clearly stated key performance indicators, or KPIs, so you can easily measure your progress. Next, focus on your top processes or products. It's not effective to try to improve too many things at once. So once you've set your objectives and KPIs, narrow down the product lines or processes that will make the biggest impact. Scale your continuous improvement projects to match the resources you have available. Then conduct a thorough analysis of those products or processes to find any weak links or failure modes. Now, it's time to create your maintenance strategies. A crucial step here is to conduct a cost analysis for the product or process you're focusing on. Ideally, you've chosen an area of improvement that's critical to your daily work. Investing in preventive and predictive maintenance makes the most sense on critical, expensive equipment. If you can avoid hours of downtime by preventing failures, you'll save a significant amount of money in the long run. Finally, assess and repeat. Once you've chosen a targeted area, implement your continuous improvement changes in one area while holding a control group to measure the results. If your objectives are met, implement changes across all relevant areas and set new objectives. If they're not met, consider whether changes need to be adjusted to obtain improvement or whether the costs are too high to warrant further investment. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet effective guide to applying continuous improvement to your maintenance processes. Remember, it's all about setting clear objectives, focusing on key processes or products, creating effective maintenance strategies, and assessing and repeating your processes. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered how to apply continuous improvement to your maintenance processes using CMMS, setting clear objectives, focusing on key processes or products, creating effective maintenance strategies, and assessing and repeating your processes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Here's to your success in continuous improvement.